Hello everyone! We are going to explain how to install MetaTrader in the newest Mac Catalina operating system and fix the corrupt application error MetaTrader is damaged and can't be opened. You have to drag the MetaTrader icon into the Applications folder. If you may experience the corrupt application error, MetaTrader is damaged and can be opened while trying to run it, we have a temporary solution to make it work properly. Use the terminal to execute a command so that the app opens properly. If you've never used Terminal before, don't worry, it's automatically installed on every Mac. To run it, just search for Terminal in the spotlight in the right corner of the menu bar at the top of your screen, and you will see it appear on your screen. In our description under this video, you will find the command that you have to copy into the terminal. Once you copy the command into the terminal, add a space and drag the installed application into the window, just after the command that you copied earlier. Finally, click on the Enter button in the terminal and then double-click on the MetaTrader app to launch it. Now you can enjoy MetaTrader.